Welcome back to part 02 of the 15 best foods to burn fat and lose weight. The third food is coffee. Coffee is not only a delicious and energizing drink, but also a powerful fat burner. Coffee contains caffeine, which stimulates your nervous system and increases your metabolism and energy expenditure. Coffee also contains antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage and improve your insulin sensitivity, which is important for fat loss. Coffee can also suppress your appetite and enhance your mood and performance. Just make sure to drink black coffee or coffee with a splash of milk or cream, and avoid adding sugar or other sweeteners. Aim to drink 1 to 2 cups of coffee per day to enjoy its fat-burning effects. The fourth food is green tea. Green tea is another beverage that can help you burn fat and lose weight. Green tea contains catechins, which are antioxidants that boost your metabolism and activate your fat-burning enzymes. Green tea also contains caffeine, which works synergistically with catechins to enhance their effects. Green tea can also reduce your appetite and lower your blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that drinking 4 to 5 cups of green tea per day can increase your fat burning by up to 17%. The fifth food is whey protein. Whey protein is a type of protein powder that is derived from milk. Whey protein is one of the best sources of protein for weight loss, as it has a high biological value, which means it contains all the essential amino acids that your body needs. Whey protein also has a high thermic effect, which means it burns more calories during digestion than other foods. Whey protein also stimulates the release of hormones that regulate your appetite and fat burning, such as glucagon like peptide 1, GLP-1, and peptide YY, PYY. Whey protein can also help you build and preserve muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining a high metabolic rate. You can add whey protein to your smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt, or simply mix it with water or milk. Aim to consume 20 to 30 grams of whey protein per day to optimize your fat loss. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.